All right, so here's the page 22 in your packet answer key. This is an actual AP question from 2014. So you were asked to actually combine, in this first part, you were asked to combine to get at least one activity. And so we were talking about on-campus, off-campus residences and being involved in activities. So you had to combine those two sections to 24, these two sections to 37, and then it didn't ask the overall. All right, so then that made your fractions this way. On campus, 24 out of 33. Off campus, 37 out of 67, so it's 55.2%. So we can definitely see the fact that you are on campus makes you more likely to be involved in at least one extracurricular activity. Now, then they give you the pictures, okay? So they go ahead and give these pictures, and they are based on the percentages. So see, I did come up here and I calculated the percentages. I did 9 divided by 33, and that's how I got this 27.2. And I did, 30 divided by 67, and that's how I got this 44.8. So I did each group percentages, and I wrote them on there so I could see exactly what was happening. So, write a few sentences summarizing what the graph reveals about the association between the residences. So there is an association between residential status and extracurricular activity. So they are related. The fact that you live on or off campus affects the rate at which you participate in extracurricular activities. So then, I went ahead, because this is an AP question, I wanted to give 3 statements. I wanted to give a statement about every category, okay? Because that's what the AP grading guidelines have checked, is they want to see it on every category. Furthermore, and this is what happened, this kind of threw me because I was trying to be short and do a shortcut, but let me tell you something. It had to include the percentages comparisons. So just do not shortcut it on the AP. So it says, so I have number 1, off-campus students have a higher rate of participating in no activities than on campus. And then I should have compared 44.8% to 27.2%, but I didn't write that in there. So I probably would have gotten marked off for that. Okay, statement number 2. So I even numbered my statements here because I wanted to show you that I had all 3 of those. Statement number 2. On-campus students are more likely to be involved in one activity as well as 2 or more activities. So actually, than off-campus. So I kind of did that in both cases. So on campus, we're more likely to be here 51.5 to 37.3, as well as 2 or more, 21.2 to 17.9%. So make sure you included those percentages to have thorough, full write-up for this AP exam. And I was specific in doing so.